So I'm curious, tell me, did the hospital you delivered at have cloth diapers? For our first baby, he was in the NICU. They put him in Pampers Swaddlers. Nothing new. Second baby, again, hospital delivery, put her in a disposable diaper. Third baby, I was prepared. I took my cute little newborn cloth diapers to the hospital. But you know what? I was super surprised. The hospital had cloth diapers. Newborn, cute, adorable, little baby cloth diapers. I was so impressed. This was at the Lois Whole Women's Hospital in Edmonton. And while they weren't the most amazing cloth diapers, they did fit and they worked just fine. So we used those ones until we were released, and then we put on our little cute cloth diapers to go home. Fourth baby, different city, different hospital, disposable diapers, wah wah. So it really makes me wonder, if a hospital acknowledges the fact that reusable cloth diapers are cost effective and feasible, and they can show parents how to use them right from birth in the hospital, then why on earth are all of us mothers going home and switching our babies to plastic disposables that we have to buy month after month that we throw away for 2.5 years before our babies potty train? Baffles my mind, really. So what kind of diaper was first on the bum for your baby?